Hello guys, welcome to our lecture, and today we will discuss about how can we make a pivot chart. In our previous lecture we discussed about how we made a simple pivot table with the help of simple example, and today we will discuss how can we make a pivot chart as well as a pivot table with the help of simple example. So I already made a simple example for you, but you can also use your own example. So we will make a pivot table. For making a pivot chart and pivot table, you just need to select all the data which you have, and you just need to go here in insert tab and select the pivot, and in pivot you will get the two options if you want the pivot table like in our previous lecture, but we will use a pivot chart. So I select the pivot chart. Now it says the reference, so reference is our existing list. So I click on OK. Now you can see the pivot table as well as pivot chart, and it's up to us how we want to get the data. So I just want to get the data and country and the number of orders. So here you can see the table as well as chart. Like in Australia we got the sum of orders of 7, and also you can see here in Australia you'll got the sum of orders 7. Now I just want to know the orders and the amount. So here you can see in Australia you will got the total sum of amount $9.062, and if you want to know the categories, so you can get the categories. Like in Australia you got the fruits, and fruits in fruits you will got the sum of the amount. And if you want to know the products, so here you can see the products. In Australia you will offering product fruits, and fruits you offering banana, and in Canada you offering two categories. First one is fruit and the second one banana. And if I just want to know the data, like first I just make the table large, so you will get the understanding of like in categories we offering the categories. And if I just want to remove and just select here the products, so you can see the products, what the products we are offering. And if I just want to select the date, so you can find the date. Like in Australia we offering fruits, and in fruits we're offering banana, and the order was placed on 1st November. And here you can see the sum of orders. Like here you can see the countries. In countries Australia, and in Australia we offering fruits, and in fruits we offering banana. And in banana here you can see the placed order, and its sum of orders are 7. And in the same way you can see the products. In France we offering the products fruits, and fruits we offering apple, and the placed order is on 1st December 2020, and the number of order you got is 9. And if you want to get the amount, so you will got the lengthy table as well as lengthy chart in which you got the further data. If I just make it simple, so I just put the country and the categories, and the last one is product. And if I just put the amount, so you got the amount. And if I just want to put the dates, so you will get the dates. This is how you can use the pivot table and as well as pivot chart. It's up to you which formats and which backgrounds, which colors you want. It's up to your own needs. This is how you can make a pivot table and pivot chart with the help of simple example. If you face any confusion, you can write in our comment section. We will surely reply you. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you so much.